Hello everyone, you know what time it is. It's time for Monday's Challenge Assembly. We have another great week planned for all of you here at Newlands with lots of fantastic learning, and I know all of you are going to be working super hard. Now remember what I told you on Friday. I'm going to be looking, and so will Betty, be looking for those children who are doing their reading at home, getting it into their reading diary and posting it on Tapestry for our Head Teacher Awards. Let's see if we can have more than ever before of us posting our reading records on Tapestry. So let's get going on that one. But as always, we have another challenge, and last week you learned the days of the week, and some of you were showing me that. Well done. Now we're going to learn some more signs that has to do with the day. Here we go. All right, a new challenge, a new week. We have a lot to do. Let's get going. Have a fantastic week.